Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. I remain Professor Abubakar Yakubu. Today we will be discussing about plotting two data sets on the same graph. So we move right away to the business of the day. I have two data sets on my screen showing frequency dialing constant and frequency and loss factors. So we'll go straight into the business. The first thing we need to do is to click and highlight all the data on the first set and then click on insert and then go to the chart style, click on the scatter plot, then select the line graph with marker. That I prefer doing always. It gives me the beauty of the work. The next thing to do is how do we add the second set of data. To do that, you just come up here and click on select data series, select data, and this pop-up window will show, and you now need to click on add entries. This window will show. So what is the next entry name I want to add is the loss factor. You need to write that down, loss factor. Then what would be my S value for the new data series I'm entering? Just click on this and then highlight all the values on the X and the next data series. Click it back, it has entered. For the do the same for the Y axis, clean that same value, go to the Y axis and then click and then place OK. So that is done. Okay, go to the icon here. There are three different icons here. Go to the positive icon and just click on the icon, just add axis. But may I look in at and then remove grid lines. You can remove the grid line. I don't like the grid lines. Then you can add legend, but the legend should be at the top. Now we've started. Just a little bit of formatting is going to look good. For formatting's sake, that could be done in another video, but on a quick note, quickly, you can highlight on the right axis and just go up and click that and make it bold. Click these two, the axis itself, bold it, and then that, same here, bold that, this. But the key thing in this work is, if you look at the loss factor, the value is so small that we will not be able to see it clearly. So what do you need to do? You need to add it at the secondary y-axis, which is this point. So what do? Just click on the line, right click on it, then click on format data series. A pop-up window will show. This pop-up window will show you primary, because right now it's in the primary axis, so take it to the secondary axis. So it is now in the secondary axis. Do the same for this, bold and that. You can now add axis for the secondary axis too. Since we've done that, now add secondary vertical axis, bold it too. See? Just make the color dark. For this now, we are done. Just a little bit of highlight. Just to beautify the graph, sometimes make it look good. We'll come to this point, just click on this, right click on this, click on this, and then you have this. You will now go down to line, then a solid line, change the color to black and then increase the font size. Same with this, the color is already gray, we change it to black and the font size 125. Same on the secondary y-axis. That has been done. Then you add the title for the secondary axis. It is loss. There's another way to do it. If you like, you can just say, come to this point here and just say equal to, and then click on this and then enter. Voila, you see the loss factor is entered automatically. You can bold it, make it black and bold. Same with this, just say equal to, dielectric constant and then enter. Same with this too, just say equal to the frequency and then enter. So we're done. This is exactly what you want. You see it is clearly red. On the primary y-axis we have a dielectric constant, on the secondary y-axis we have a loss factor, on the primary x-axis we have a frequency. Let's open up for a bolder view. Zooming in, see you can format this to start from 8, since the frequency started from 8, and then stopped at 8.72. Done. True. So those are guys. So click and subscribe and you get my next video on how to get your trend lines done and get your R-squared value regression analysis value to know how good your graph is. So thank you very much and bye bye.